Do your staff members sound like this?
Yeah, I just let the videos play and tab out.
The training is so boring.
Well, it's time to say goodbye to boring training with LemonadeLXP. Players are greeted with LemonadeLXP's booster game. This booster game is designed to drive initial participation and continued engagement. It challenges learners to excel in their training so they can grow their financial institution. Within the hub, players can buy upgrades. They have to make strategic decisions on whether they want upgrades that provide an immediate boost to their cash flow or a long-term benefit for the new customers that will come into their branch. All of this helps the players climb the leaderboard and compete with others in the company. But LemonadeLXP is so much more than just gamification, it's also game-based learning. When creating course content, you're able to select from a variety of different game modes for your employees to complete in the training, to help make training fun, interesting, and different from module to module. You can create training that's actually effective and fun.